This is my towel bar, and in this video I'll show you how to install it. This particular towel bar came with these markers on the bottom side, so that way all you have to do is level it and press it against the wall, and it will leave nice marks on the wall so you know exactly where to drill the holes at. Next, I took a regular drill bit and drilled out the holes big enough for the anchors to fit. The set also came with these cool anchors that you will have to close to push them into the hole. I ended up using a mallet to help me push them all the way in. And these anchors come with this red plunger that you push into the hole so that the anchor opens back up again on the inside like this. So I did that with the anchors, and now I was ready to screw these metal brackets. I used the screwdriver to get them started and then fasten them with the drill to make the process go faster. I always like to use a screwdriver at the end to ensure I don't over tighten by using a drill. Then I loosened the set screw on the towel bar and removed the marking device that I used earlier. Then I placed the towel bar into the metal brackets on the wall and tightened the set screws to hold it in place. This set also came with a matching toilet holder that was also really easy to install, and a towel holder. Both follow the same steps and hardware for installation. Check out how I installed the hooks in my shower next.